Have you ever spent hours in your garden pulling weeds, only to wake up the next day with sore knees and aching back, and somehow the weeds are already growing again? For many gardeners, weeds are one of the most frustrating parts of maintaining a beautiful yard. Bending down constantly, digging with small tools, or using harsh chemicals can make the process exhausting and sometimes even harmful to your plants and soil. But what if there was a tool that could remove weeds while you stay standing, without chemicals, and pull them out from the root so they don't come back? Today we're taking a close look at the Fiskars 4-claw stand-up weed puller, popular manual weeding tool designed to make weed removal faster, easier, and far more comfortable. In this review, we'll explore how it works, its key features, the pros and cons, and whether it's actually worth adding to your gardening toolkit. And before we get started, if you enjoyed practical product reviews that help you make smarter buying decisions, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more reviews like this. First, let's talk about the biggest reason people are switching to tools like this: comfort. Traditional weed removal usually means kneeling on the ground, bending your back repeatedly, and digging around stubborn roots. Over time, this can cause serious strain on your knees, wrists, and lower back. The Fiskars 4-claw stand-up weed puller solves that problem with its long 39-inch shaft, allowing you to remove weeds while standing upright. Instead of crouching or kneeling, you simply position the tool over the weed, push the claws into the soil, and pull the plant out from the root. This simple design can make a huge difference, especially for people who garden frequently or anyone who wants to avoid unnecessary strain on their body. Now let's take a closer look at how the tool actually works. At the bottom of the weed puller are four serrated stainless steel claws. These claws are designed to dig into the soil and grab the weed firmly from multiple sides. When you press the tool down into the ground, the claws surround the weed and grip the root system. Once the claws grab the weed, you simply tilt the handle and pull upward. The claws extract the entire plant, including the root, which is important because removing the root helps prevent the weed from growing back. But before we continue, if you're finding this review helpful so far, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss future gardening tool reviews. Now let's talk about the durability of the Fiskars weed puller. Fiskars is a well-known brand in the gardening world, and they are known for producing tools that are built to last. The claws on this weed puller are made from strong stainless steel, which stays sharp even after repeated use in tough soil. This means the tool can handle stubborn weeds like dandelions, thistles, and other invasive plants without wearing down quickly. The overall structure is also designed for long-term use, and one of the most reassuring things about this product is that it comes with a lifetime warranty. That's a strong sign that the manufacturer stands behind the durability of the tool. Now let's quickly go through the pros and cons of the Fiskars 4-claw stand-up weed puller. Starting with the pros, one of the biggest advantages is no bending or kneeling required, which makes gardening much more comfortable and less physically demanding. Second, it removes weeds directly from the root, which helps prevent them from growing back. Third, the stainless steel claws are strong, sharp, and durable, making them effective even on tough weeds. Fourth, the easy-eject system makes it simple to dispose of weeds without touching them. And finally, the lifetime warranty provides long-term peace of mind. Now let's look at a few possible cons. This tool works best in looser soil, so it may require a bit more effort in extremely hard or rocky ground. Also, because it's designed for standing use, it might not be ideal for very small garden spaces where maneuvering a long tool is difficult. However, for most lawns and garden beds, these are relatively minor limitations. Another big advantage of this weed puller is that it allows you to remove weeds without using chemical weed killers. Many gardeners are now trying to avoid harsh chemicals that can damage soil health or harm nearby plants. With a manual tool like this, you can maintain your garden in a more natural and environmentally friendly way. Plus, removing weeds manually often leads to better long-term results because you're targeting the root directly instead of just treating the surface. If you enjoy spending time in your garden but hate the constant battle with weeds, a tool like this can make the task far less frustrating. And if this review helped you learn something new, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more helpful product reviews. So, is the Fiskars 4-claw stand-up weed puller worth it? For gardeners who want a simple, durable, and comfortable way to remove weeds, this tool is definitely a strong option. If you want to check the current price or more details, you can find the product link in the description and comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next review.